Hello everyone, I'm back with another video on my stocks and my portfolio. Today is Friday, October 2nd. The news just broke today that Trump tested positive for COVID, him and the First Lady. And this is the effect that it has on the market today. We can see this really big decline, right? So I'm down about, I want to say like $200 today. So let's go to Ameritrade real quick. I'm down 176 on Robinhood, and I'm down $11 on Ameritrade. So I'm down like, yeah, about $214, $200 or whatever. And all this comes from not the fact that Trump has COVID, like no one cares about that, but it now turns into, the point of view about how real it actually is, right? And that the danger is still there. So that generates a lot of uncertainty in the market because, as time progressed, everyone was kind of just like, oh, whatever, we'll just live with COVID. It's no big deal. And people started getting more confident in investing in the market after that big drop at the beginning of the pandemic. And now with the fact that some higher up, like the president has COVID, it's more about, everyone kind of getting grounded and realizing that the danger is still very, very well present. And that drives a lot of uncertainty in the market, and it's a really big sell. A really big sell-off. So I want to talk about, for long-term investors, this is a good thing because we can then increase our positions, right, at a cheaper price, bring our cost average down, and because we're long-term investing, right? But here's the thing. We know how COVID reacts. We know what COVID does, so we won't see any effects until 2 weeks, right? Because he has to be quarantined for 14 days. So this is where you have to make a decision, right? Do you buy the dip right now? Or can it get worse? Can he start to show symptoms maybe 4 days or 6 days or a week from now and get really, really sick? The market will drop even more, right? Or will he start to get better, right? Maybe he's asymptomatic. We don't know. So this is where you guys have to kind of make a decision. And this is where you guys have to make a decision. And do you buy it right now? Do you wait for him to get more sick and have the market drop even more? So right now we're kind of in a gray area, right? So what's the strategy here? I feel like, personally, the strategy stays the same. I don't know when to time the market because I don't know what's going to happen with him. So the strategy is going to stay the same. I'm going to set myself a budget for this week and possibly dollar cost average it in throughout this week and next week. And if he happens to get sick and it drops even more, I'll buy even more. But as of right now, what's today? Today's Friday, right? Fuck. Okay, so let's see. So we would likely have news over the weekend. So over the weekend, if we find out that he's doing fine and the market's gonna go up on Monday, right? If we find out that he's getting bad and he's having a fever, whatever, blah blah blah, the market's gonna drive even further down. So I have to make in some trades, at least for the week. So I'm gonna submit a deposit of $100, and we'll see how we split that up. How do I do this with the update? I kind of don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, transfers. So transfer to Robinhood. So let's do a $100 deposit. Let's submit the deposit. Okay, I got instant access because I'm Robinhood Gold. And so I don't want to go into Sony anymore. Let's do $20 Sony. $20 is Sony. Whoa. Okay, let's go in dollars. buying dollars. We'll do 20 bucks. Okay, so that's done. We'll do, oh, see, Nike's still pretty high. Wow, Nike's going really strong here. So I had a dividend from Nike, which I did automatic buyback, I think. Number of shares, amount per share. Wait, did I not? I thought I did have this automatic one. Enable, oh shit, not for Nike, huh? Okay, my changes have been saved. So am I gonna have a buyback really quick here? No, I'm not. Okay, so I'll do $20 in Nike anyway. Hold on, that's all-time high. I'll do the one, what was it? The 123, so I'll manually do this. 123. I'll manually do that right away. It kind of sucks because if I would have done it right when the dividend hit, I would have got Nike lower, right? I would have probably got Nike somewhere here. And now I'm buying it right there, but that's fine, whatever. Free money, as you could say. Let's do $20 in Microsoft. So that's good to go. I just want to mention one quick thing from these videos. I feel like I'm either not talking loud enough or the phone is too far from my mouth. So I'll look to get a little mic that I can plug into the headphone jack to see if that works. Let's do $20 of Apple. Let's do that really quick. See, now Tesla's a weird one, right? Because they didn't really, did they drop a whole lot? So they dropped 5% today. So do I buy $20? Okay, stocks fall after keeps demand concerns alive. Tesla could enter Indian market 2021. Tesla to acquire German battery maker. Yeah, so let's just buy something right here right now. Let's do $20. Let's do $20. See what happens. See how I feel. So let's quick look at my bank account. See if I could go for another 50. I could go for another 50 low key. Easily go for another 50. Let's go for another 50. Oh no, I'll wait, right? Because of the strategy that we are gonna partake in. So Coca-Cola, I probably won't do 20 on this one just because it's just high, right? And I could get some more quick gains over here. Same thing with Nike. I could wait on that. So how much buying power do I have? Where's my buying power? Buying power. So I have $22 in cash. Okay, $2 in cash. Okay, let's see, what can we do here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 companies. I'll do $5 each. So do $5 there. We'll skip Nike and we'll do $5 there. We'll skip Nike and Coca-Cola just because they're high right now. Coca-Cola is green for the day, which I'm not really sure why. They're a really strong company regardless, right? Oh, that's probably why people want to go away from uncertainty and go to, somewhere where it's safe. So I can see why Coca-Cola is green today. Probably people are trading into it a lot more now. And Tesla, so we'll buy $5 of Tesla. So yeah, let's give that a go. So Tesla's still dropping even more, as you guys can see. I drove my average cost down. I drove my average cost down for Apple. I drove my average cost for Microsoft. And drove my average cost for Sony just a little bit. I'm just thinking if I could sell Coca-Cola and then get some Tesla for cheap, right? Just kind of allocate my funds there. Okay, let's do the rest of my $2. Let's do Nike. Let's do Nike really quick. So that's the strat. Those are my trades in for Friday. I know it's not much, but that's just how we do it. So we did 5 5 5 5 2, and then we did 25, right? So we did 25 Tesla, 25 Apple, we did 25 Microsoft, we did 25 Sony, and then we did 2 Nike. So that's the strat for today. So let's refresh here. Hit the refresh. So we'll just see what happens there. Yeah, so if he gets more sick over the weekend, it's just gonna drop even more, or it's gonna keep dropping until we have news about him, right? So let's go through all these notifications. So it's gonna keep dropping until we have some news, whether he's doing fine or he's doing bad or whatever. Just because people don't know, or we don't know, right, what's gonna happen. But that's what's going on for this week. I mean today, Friday. So that's kind of a red day because he's sick. Starbucks is so started low, now it's high because they boosted their dividend by 10%. So yeah, I mean, for long-term investors, today's a good day to buy. Today's a very good day to buy. That's crazy. But yeah, that's how, see, like, all these companies that have established histories, like 3M, GM, BP, Shell, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, they're all green today because people want to move from uncertainty to something that's safe, with this news, right? But yeah, that's basically, I mean, it's frustrating to a certain point, but it shouldn't be, just because of the fact that you know, I'm a long-term investor, so it doesn't really matter if, you know, there's red days, there's big market drops or whatever. It's not necessarily a correction of any sorts. It was more just off of the news that Trump did get COVID and that it's a real danger. But as far as, you know, everything else goes, that's the strategy. And if it drops more on Monday, I'll do 100 more on Monday, 50 to 100 more, and yeah, that's how it's gonna go. So we'll see how we do. So I'll catch you guys later in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.